Hello everyone. You seriously need to see this best original magnetic charging. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it exceeds all expectations. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch, this offer won't last. Click the link below right now, and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone.